In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to check the number is binary or not entered by the user. The user will enter a number, the program will predict either it's a binary number or it's a decimal number. I'm going to use object-oriented approach to solve this problem. Here is the simple binary class. The name of the class is binary. Here is the private variable s of type string. We will use this variable to take input from the user. Four public methods: input number, check binary, ones complement, and display are written over here. So let me explain one by one. In input number function, we will take input from the user, and the second one is check binary. In check binary, we will check either user have entered a binary number or decimal number. If the number is binary, then the other function will work. Then we will find the ones complement of the number. Okay. After all this process, if the number is binary and finding its one complement, we will display its ones complement. So let's start. Firstly, we make the input number, take input from the user. Input void class name binary, then name of the function input number, then cout, enter the number, simply enter cin. What is the number? S. So user will enter a number. After that, we will check either a number is binary or a decimal number. So here we define our check binary function, class name, check binary function, what we are going to check, we will check either it's a binary number or it's a decimal number. So I will make a for loop for this purpose. Int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length. I have used s dot length function, which will calculate the length of the string which is entered by the user. I plus plus, then we will check it either it's a binary or not. S dot add I, let me put condition if s dot add I is not equal to 1 and s dot add I not equal to 0. So it's not a binary. So it's not a binary number. So exactly it's a decimal number. If it's not a binary, then it's a decimal number. So we have two numbers in binary, 0 or 1. So if number not from these 1 or 0, then we surely say that it's not a binary number. And so let's, if after checking it's a binary number or not, then let's make a function for ones complement. Void So for loop again, int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. Then if s dot at I equal to 1, then replace it with s dot I replace it with 0, else replace it with 1. So after finding is one's complement of the number, we will display the number void binary display. So simply cout one's complement and then we will display C over here, sorry S. So after checking it, we in the main function we will make object of the class binary class b dot. First we will take input from the user, so we will call input number function. After that we will check either it's a binary or not, so check binary function. After that we will find the one. If the number is binary, we will find the ones complement, then we will display the ones complement. Let's run the program. Let me enter a number. So it's not a binary, it's not a binary, it's not a binary. Why it's displaying 3 times? So we have to write and one exit over here. If the number is not binary, then program will exit from running. So let's run it again. So number is not binary. Run it again. Let me enter a binary number. So here is the ones complement of this number. It add one at the place of 1 0 and at the place of 0 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this will help you to practice C++. See you next time.